Hey everyone, navigating to a specific date on TradingView is a must-have skill for backtesting or reviewing historical price action without the endless manual scrolling. In the 2026 update, the process is lightning fast and accessible via a single menu. Here is how to teleport your chart to any point in time. Step 1. Activating the Go To tool. We're starting at the bottom toolbar of your chart. We're heading to the calendar icon, often labeled Go To. We do this to open the navigation portal that lets us bypass manual scrolling. Look at the bottom center/left of your screen. If you want to move even faster, press Alt-G or Option-G on Mac to trigger the tool instantly. A calendar window will pop up. Step 2. Selecting your date and time. Now we're in the calendar interface. We're heading to the date and time selectors. We do this to define the exact coordinate on the chart where we want our screen to center. Click the date you want to see. If you are on an intraday time frame, like the 5-minute or 1 hour, you can also specify a specific time. Once your date is set, click the Go To button at the bottom of the pop-up. Once you hit that button, you aren't just jumping to a day, you're repositioning the entire data feed. Here's what you'll notice. First, instant centering. TradingView will automatically jump the chart so that the selected date is perfectly centered on your screen. You'll see a brief loading animation if the data needs to be fetched from the servers. If you select a date further back than your current subscription allows, for example, trying to see 1-minute data from 1995 on a basic plan, TradingView will move the chart to the earliest available bar it has in its history for that specific time frame. If you have multiple charts open in a split-screen layout and have sync time enabled, all your other charts will jump to that exact same date simultaneously, allowing for instant multi-time frame analysis of a historical event. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.